Good morning, everybody. My name is Antonia Noloha. I'm a DMP student from Brandman University. I'm here to present Sleuthing Journal on Community Health Promotion. My community is Culver City. This is the sign from the north side. This is the flag, and this is the sign from the west side. Culver City is a city in Los Angeles County, California. As of 2019, the estimated population was 40,351. The community was named after its founder, Henry Culver. Majority of the residents are white. Healthcare access. The community receive healthcare from Venice Family Clinic, EXA Urgent Care, Culver City Medical Plaza that consists of dental clinic, vision clinic, pediatric clinic, adult and geriatric clinic. There is also mental health clinic and women's health clinic. The services they provide include comprehensive health care, community wellness, community engagement. And this is the flyers of the services they provide. Local public health, County of Los Angeles Public Health. And this is, firefighters coronavirus update. And this is the Department of Public Health in Culver City. And the services they provide include informing, educating, and empowering people about public health issues, and also environmental health services to help to prevent illness, disability, death from the interactions between people and the environment. What is needed here is that there is no sign for public health in Culver City, but there is signs in public health in Los Angeles area. Vaccination rate. In California, children receive immunization. The rate is 94.5% to 99.11%. Los Angeles is in California and is 94.5%. Culver City is in Los Angeles County and is 94.5%. This clinic, Lou Colon Children's Health and Wellness Center, is where children, their parents does not have insurance, go for immunization. The school district refer them to this clinic for immunization. People can get flu vaccine free here. Immunization is free. CVS pharmacy in Culver City also give free vaccination, free flu vaccine here. But if you go to urgent care, you will pay $25. Disaster planning. This is the disaster preparedness. This is the meeting held by the police officer, firefighter, chief firefighter officer, and it's done every month. And this is disaster preparedness event. It's like a drill that is done every 6 months in Culver City. This is Culver City Fire Department headquarter Station 1. And this is their police officer logo, Culver City logo. This is police officer department. And this is District 2, where the community will go in case of disaster. And if you want to know more about disaster planning, you go to www.culvercity.org. Health education promotion, Venice Family Clinic, Gail Margolis Wellness Center, COVID-19 testing 7 days a week, health education from Culver City Unified District School District, physical education from Culver City Unified District. And this is Westside Regional Center presenting second annual transition to adulthood. This is regarding families that have special need children or child, like autism. And this is physical therapy. Continuation of health education and promotion. This is office where you can go and register for summer camp or swimming here, but it's closed because of COVID. This is where elderly people stay. This is Culver City Park and Recreation. This is Bowen Hill in Culver City, and this is the trail. This is the stair in Bowen Hill. This is the park where the elderly people stays, but it's closed because of COVID. And this is Children's Park, closed because of COVID. And this is me climbing the Bowen Hill stairs. Community engagement. Who is trying to engage consumers? Yeah, the public health nurses, doctors, pharmacists, community committees, the mayor, police officers, and the firefighters. And this is what they're going to discuss. It's listed here. Culver City Action Network, and it's culvercityaction.com. Culver City Bicycle Pedestrian Initiative, the Culver City Meeting and Agenda, Culver City Community Coalition, and it's very effective. The rate of services in Culver City is 98%. What is needed here is that, for us, for all the people that live in this community to come out and vote, so that there will be school program, recreational program, maintaining police funding, police officers and the firefighters, public health department, so that they will keep the community going. And also, when I was looking for public health, public health in Culver City, I did not see the sign. But in Los Angeles, there is sign of public health department in Los Angeles sign. It needs to be noted. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you. And this is my references.